Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete profile pictures on Skout. To get started, let's open Skout app. Make sure your Skout app is installed on your device. This is your home page. You can see your profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on it. It will navigate you to the profile page. Again, tap on it. Now you can see the profile photo. Now again tap on the photo you want to delete. Next click on the 3 button that is located on top right corner. Now you get the option to delete photo. If you want to delete, click on delete photo. If you want to cancel, cancel it. Now confirm by clicking on yes button. Next restart your app. Reopen your Skout app. Now again go to your profile page. Clicking on profile icon. Here you go, you have successfully deleted your profile picture. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.